Why do we want this particular position? Here will be our customer service department because I want to start in a position that allows me to learn everything about the company from the very basic level of interacting with the customer on the web or throughout the sales process, the marketing process, on the processing of goods and service. When I saw the opportunity with customer service, I thought it was a skill set that I could bring to the company. Why do we want this particular position? Here will be our customer service department. Because I wanted to start in a position that allows to learn everything about the company from the very basic level, interacting with the customer on the web or throughout the sales process, the marketing process, and the processing of goods and service. Then I saw the opportunity with customer service. I took the work as clinician that I got and that I could bring to the company.